Hello guys, my name is Sam and I'm back with another video, and I know you probably have missed me and I was supposed to be posting more videos and I was supposed to be doing a review, but I will be doing a review today. I won't be putting on any products in this video, but I will be making more videos today because I'm trying to get everything put out for you guys and make everything amazing for you guys. Let me check my battery. We got good percentage. We got enough time to film, 2 hours and 8 minutes to film this video. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna get into the BoxyLuxe, which I was supposed to be reviewing on my channel a while back. She's busted, crusted, and beat up since then, but we still have her. She's still here. I'll have looked through it, but it's not gonna be a first impressions. We're not gonna be using most of these products at all. So if I'm looking up here, I've changed my studio around. I'm making sure my viewfinder's good, my lighting's good, and everything, because my neck's getting dark down here. I need to get a light to, you know, light up my under eye, but like, we're not gonna get into that. I might get into it in this video, I might not, but what we're gonna do is go ahead and get started because I'm tired of rambling. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so guys. What am I talking about? Okay, thank you so much for almost making it to 1,000 subscribers. I think I am. Let me see. Let me check to be truthful, because we don't know. I'm not gonna put it on the screen. I'm just gonna turn it around and let you see. Where's she at? Come on, focus. How you not trying to focus? I guess. Why am I trying to tap my screen? I'm so dumb. Okay, let me see if you can see that. Anyways, as you see that says, oh, stop moving, 896. So that is 104 away from hitting 1,000, and I am so proud to say that I've invested my money, my time, and my effort into this YouTube channel to get it to where it is today. If you go back and watch some of my videos, they were so horrible. I have this one light that I have in front of me now, and that's all I had. Now I have a 3-light setup as a beauty guru. And, you know, it's hard in this beauty guru industry because, you know, it's cutthroat. But this is the little pamphlet it came with. It tells you all the prices. And I'll calculate it up later, whatever we got. And I'm so excited to jump into it because I haven't used any of these products because I knew I was going to do a review on my channel, and a lot of people have been requesting it. But what I got in my box is I got the Dose of Colors. Is that Dose of Colors? No, Dominique. Beach. Dose of Colors. I can't read, alright, but I'm just pronouncing stuff because I think that's what I want in the box, but it ain't it. Anyways, that was in the last box that I got. Anyways, I got Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss in lemonade. I'm pretty sure that was the, oh no, it's in peach tea. Let me pull it out the component and see what she's looking like and see what she's working with, honey. Oh my gosh, I can never open components. I don't have nails, or it just don't want to work for me. And I always end up tearing up the box. I don't know why. I always tear up the box just trying to get it out of here, honey. The struggle is real. Oh gosh, that's cute. That is cute. Look at that. Is this a lip gloss? Did I say lip gloss? I think it's a lipstick in the shade Peach Tea. Let me see if I can swatch it. I might be too light if it's a lipstick for me. It looks like a lip gloss though. No, it's a lip gloss. I don't know if I can smell it over my candle over there. I'm burning one of them Bath & Body Works candles. We love a good candle, honey. But this is what the swatch looks like. Yeah, it's a lip gloss because, honey, there's no coverage if that's a lipstick. But yeah, I've never tried her brand out before, so I'm excited to be using that. And on another note, we got hair products in here as well, honey. We didn't comb this hair today because in the next video I'm going to be trying some of these products out, and I want to see if I can actually get the worth out of this. This is a living proof full dry volume blast. This is a hairspray. Oh, I've never used the hairspray because, you know, my hair is dry and I like to use moisturizing stuff. I don't think that's going to be moisturizing for my hair. You know, I got that Negro hair. What kind of hair that is, I don't know. But we got the No Problems Poreless Primer. And you know I like to fill in my pores. Can you focus? Thank you. Yes, This box came beat up, honey. So don't be thinking I used it. See, I haven't took it out of the box. It's nothing been used. She's nice and pink and white. I'm so excited to be using it. I'm going to try her out and give you a nice review on her and see if she actually passes the test. And these components, I never like to keep the boxes, so I just get them and I pick them up maybe next week. Out the flow. Next week. And the next thing that we got this hair dryer. Mini hair dryer to be exact, and I love the color of it. When I pull this out of here, honey, don't be trying to come to my house and steal it, because you can't have it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm going to pretend like I can use it, knowing good well I can't. Let me pull her out. Don't play me. Look how cute she is. Oh my gosh, yes. I want to kind of use her for like, I don't know. I wonder if I can use her after, you know, I put setting spray on and I can just blast her away. That's a good idea, is it not? Yes! Maybe I can use this to comb out my nappy hair. It comes with some combs. Look how cute she is. She's pink and miniature. It comes with this, which is, I think, a diffuser for something, I don't know. And then I got another diffuser, which this is a kind of like a comb. Maybe I can comb out my hair with that. I don't know what that is, honey. But that's about it. What comes in there is some instructions to tell you how to work the dry, honey. We don't care. We don't read instructions. We black. Let me put her back in the bag. We're going to keep this bag, honey. We just stick it in there and people be like, what's in that bag? Don't worry about it. It's not done. I'm going to have to shoot you up. Look, watch. Let me show you. Put it back in the bag and I'm going to show you. They try to play me, come in my house, try to steal my makeup, honey. I pay my hard-earned coin for. Honey, I don't mind paying my hard-earned coin. What we're gonna do is just put them on the taxes, honey. But look, zoom. What is that? Gun, get bite. You have the right to remain silent. Silent. Bitch, if you don't remain silent, honey, I can't help you. Where we gonna put her at? We can put her on the floor. She expensive. I've already seen the price on that one. It's a good 80. I think $85. Okay. And as you know, guys, I've been taking into consideration a nice skincare regimen, and they sent me a this is from Farmacy, and it's called Honeymoon Glow. This is a AHA resurfacing night serum. Honey, we love a good serum at night. During the day, it made me too oily, so I like to use them at night with hydrating honey and flower acid. Okay. Well, using acid. Don't acid burn your skin, honey. Don't let it melt down your skin. I don't know. But what, girl? This is to... Whew. I'm excited. Let me take her out the component and see what she looks like. I've got the bottom open already. I'm glad that was so much easier. Oh my gosh, that's cute. That'd be cute on my nightstand. Look at this. Hold on, let me make sure. We get a good focus on it. This is what she looks like. Let me be a beauty guru for once and actually put my hand behind it. Yes, look at that. Yeah, that's cute. Don't look at these hands. They're rough. I should have put some nails on. Ain't had time. Another component gone. This is what really intrigued me. Oh, I just put a fingerprint on her. I want to do a video all in itself with this, like doing a get ready with me, but also trying out this lash curler. I think it's also a mascara. I don't know. Let me take the tape. That has a curler in it. As you can see, this right here is one of a lash curler, so you're just supposed to move it around your lash line and curl your lashes. And also when you twist it off, it is also a mascara in one. Have you seen that? You'll see it in action on my Instagram page, so if you go down there and follow me on my Instagram, I will have a video by then, as maybe tomorrow, because I'm posting this video today, so you better get ready, honey. If you ain't subscribed, what is you doing? Why you keep coming back? I know you're going to tell your friends about me. Share the video. I ain't see it on your Facebook. You want to win some of these products? Go ahead. Because one of these products that I did get, I don't know if I'm actually going to use. I don't know if it's going to be the right shade. Haven't really checked her out. But I know in the past, the only thing that I could actually use from Tarte is probably their primers and their concealers. Other than that, nothing is actually dark enough for my skin. This is the Pro Glow 3. This is, I guess, let me open it up and see. So it look like, oh, it looks like this. This is cute. Matches my outfit, kind of. It just need to be red right, and that would be cute. Ooh, packaging from my company coming soon, honey. Ooh, we'll take this plastic out. I hate the plastic. It always gets in the way. So I took the plastic out, opened her up. This is what she looks like. See, what I was saying was, let me make sure, on the back it says, it has the names, but it doesn't have what these were used for. Is this it looks like it's supposed to be a contour or a bronzer shade, but I know, I want to swatch it, but if I give this palette away, I don't want to have fingerprints in it. But anyways, it doesn't look like any of the shades are going to work for me except maybe the highlights. This highlight, maybe that highlight, and that for a lid. I don't know about the blushes. They might work a little bit. See, that's the thing about Tarte. It doesn't. They don't have enough stuff for everybody. I don't know. You know what? I will be giving this away. So if you want a chance to win this trio, six, okay, 2 blushes and 4 highlighter. Oh no, 3. Shit. Okay, if you want a chance to win this this palette right here, it has 2 blushes, 3 highlighters, and a contour shade. If you want a chance to win this, because I know it's not going to work for my skin tone, I can give it on away to somebody down below in comments. Make sure you comment down below, and make sure you also share me on your social media and tag me in it. So on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any of those social media sites, and also on Snapchat. Give me a shout out on Snapchat. You can be a chance to win this Pro Glow palette. So I am so excited to be doing a giveaway on this video. I should have put a lot of products together and do a giveaway like that, but right now I don't have a bunch of products. This is the only product I have to give away. I have a teeth whitening kit if you want to get one of those. Look at these teeth, pearly white. I always try to keep my teeth nice and clean. I'm going to put her back in the box nice and safe for somebody. So if you want a chance to win this, make sure you comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, make sure you subscribed, and follow me on all my other social medias, and tag me on one of your social medias to let me know that you want to win this. Uh-oh, why is she... Oh, it might have came from the black foam. I don't know why she nice and black on here. But this is from... What is this? Biotic Balming Complexion. This is from... this is a clean... I guess it's a pH balanced yogurt cleanser with collagen. Coloring. I don't know. I can't read and I can't pronounce, but I'm just going to show you the bottle, honey. This is what it looks like. It's white and green. I love that color right here. This is my favorite color. One of the to use on a font. Oh, yes. All this stuff right here will be listed. I will type it on the screen, honey, for you, the names, but you can read it yourself, because you know I can't read and I be pronouncing stuff wrong. Ooh, I can't wait, because it's supposed to balance your pH levels. Oh, and she has a seal on it, so yeah, she's nice and sealed, honey. She brand new. Brands new. Don't be coming here acting brands new. Uh-oh. You know I hate having to go shop for setting sprays. Honey, we got a new, like, this is a skin coat. This is what a setting spray slash like a skin enhancer, so you can use it on bare skin, or you can also use it over your makeup to make it dewy. But the thing about me is I don't like to go dewy. I like to go dewy on the perimeter of my face, and in the center I like to be matte in the T-zone because I get really oily. But yeah, this packaging is pretty cute. And I'll let you guys know how this works because I am going to be keeping her. Come on. I'm going to let you guys know how this works because I am going to be keeping her and I cannot wait to try her out. This is the longest I've ever... Girl, we done been through that many products that fast? Only 16 minutes? Took me 16 minutes to talk about these products. BoxyCharm! Where the rest of I'm just kidding, girl. But anyways, if you know, I love doing reviews on what I got in BoxyCharm, and yeah, every once in a while I'll be doing giveaways as what I got in my BoxyLuxe, because BoxyLuxe I do got way more products. Let me count, see how many products I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 products in my BoxyLuxe. So yes, one of these will be given away. So I actually got 7. So yeah, this right here is still up for giveaway. So make sure you comment down below. Follow me on all my social medias. Give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you also tag me on your social media and let me know you want the palette. Because if you don't, how am I supposed to know you want it? Anyways, yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you really enjoyed. I will be shooting some more today, and I'm so excited to bring you more content. I'm supposed to be doing a collaboration. Should I really do a collaboration with her? She has been upcoming, and she's been really working on her channel, and I've told her if she's been consistent and work and just put in some work, I will collaborate with her, because I do have a lot more following than she does. But I don't want to do it just if you guys don't want to see a video with her. I will link her channel down below for you can go check it out to let me know if you want to do a collab. You want to see a collaboration with her. She a comedian, honey. She worked with Brandt. She loved to play with the Brandt. They do challenges all the time, honey. We're going to start doing challenges on my channel, but it's going to be more makeup based, and we're going to be changing up the channel. We're not going to be doing no makeup tutorials. I love doing makeup tutorials. I might do a talk through makeup tutorial, like a get ready with me and like a date kind of thing. So yeah, get ready for that. I'll see you next time with another video, and I really hope you enjoyed my video. And yeah, I really enjoyed filming for you guys. Girl, I got a new bed today at 4 a.m. Why did I go get a new bed this morning at 4 a.m.? Because the other one had my back hurting. Because, you know, I was on an air mattress, and it was going flat. So I went and got me a queen size bed, because I'm a motherfucking queen. That's it. Deuces.